30,000-pound Taylor lift truck with clamp attachment, solid tire, 2009 machine, 2,500 hours and change. As you can see, the mass raising with the clamp. The clamp will now he's tilting it out actually. Now the clamp's rotating. So it's all hydraulically controlled. I think there's 4 hydraulic lines running to the front of this machine. Additional rotation of the clamp attachment. Heavy duty machine. I believe it's a short wheelbase machine in the industries, as noted. That's a complete 360-degree turn on that clamp. Nice feature.